Okay, let's get our viewers off. This tape change solenoid. You press the program button, change the solder of the tape, out of a crappy VT head unit, which is part of it. Soldered on, it changes the side of the tape. So I better turn that off. That's gotten pretty hot and smells. So, not a bad speaker, but it gets a bit hot. Speaker voice coil burning smell. That whining burn smell. Not designed to run continuously like that, but I'm using the pod, not this amp. Also picked up this new old stock doorbell, a ding dong. Let's make a ding dong speaker. Full battery. Kind of an old, there's two plastic binfuls of old unsold stock that was being thrown out from my local lighting shop business. Must have had a good clean out. I picked up a heap of LED lights, all working. Some down lights. I got some exterior wall LED lighting, all mains powered. So I'm going to use those for my solar setup in the shed. So whole box was $5. Got a fair bit there. So most of the lights today in those bins are all just halogen incandescents. Nothing really worthwhile grabbing, just regular crap. But the LED stuff I was after. I've grabbed all the LED stuff I could find. So let's make this a ding dong speaker. I'm going to turn the volume up. Oh, ding dong bass. Yeah, it's not getting warm. Between 8 and 16 volts this thing is rated for. It's got, you either use goes to a switch on the side, which goes to your front door, the button, and it runs off a 24 volt transformer. This one in particular though, operates at a range from 8 to 16 volts off a transformer. Can run off AC, as you can see here. But I think it's best off DC when you hold the button. Ding, and let go of the button. Dong. So, here's our ding dong speaker. I'll just put the camera down and take it apart so you can see the inside. I'm not going to hear much. Just carefully wire this back up again. Here's our ding dong speaker. So normally 8 to 16 volts AC, 6 volt DC, you got your 4 D cells going there, which I don't recommend because I'll just bloody leak and ruin everything. Max 15 watt Friedland Type 4. But these are the best doorbells. Nothing beats these old doorbells, so I love the sound of this. It's so reliable, better than those wireless Chinese heaps of crap at Bunnings. Well, that's the face that way. Bass and treble all the way up. The volume's at max. Let's try a different source. Let's try some bass tracks off YouTube. The radio's not cutting it. I could plug it in here, but I don't want to wreck the amp. So, use a cheap little amp like that for things like this. Actually, here's a good song on the radio now. Shouldn't get done for copyright. Don't know how I pick that song up. Turn it up flat out. The amp's cut out. Yeah, the amp's cutting out. So I've got to put a 4 ohm resistor in series with it. Or an 8 ohm. And it'll be fine. Just fill that coil. It's a little warm. It's 15 watt. Which I think that's reference to the bulb. Type 4. That's the light bulb and the button, I'm pretty sure that's referring to. So you can see it at night. There we go. There's our ding dong speaker. There we go. If you're a ding dong on a budget and you got a couple of these ding dong doorbells, it's a quite little, yeah. Gives a whole new meaning in calling someone a ding dong. Here we go, just cut out. Yeah, it's chipping out. Turn it off. But there we go. Wasn't a bad idea. But I've got to aim this up to see what the resistance is, just for reference, to see if that amp's obviously not taking that too well. It's warm, but not smelling burnt, that's alright. Let's give it an aim up just to see what the resistance of that coil is. And the amp don't like it. It's obviously not 416 or anything like that. Ohms. So put this multimeter on the ohm scale. Let's see what that coil resistance is. Let's have a look. Can't say nothing, but I'll just read it out to you. 2.2. Oh, ironically, look at that. 4.6 ohms. Wow. Would you look at that? It's a 4.6 ohm coil fit in the spec of the amplifier. I'll be buggered. Well, there you go. It's 4.6 ohms. But there you are. A speaker for ding dongs. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.